Whoa! What a drone! This thing is absolutely incredible! Love it! Hello, welcome back to RC Workshop, guys. Check it out today. We are out with a Parrot drone. It's the Parrot Bebop 2 power. This thing really does have a lot of power and it is very, very impressive in flight. It's quite a windy day today and you can see that this thing is just staying so steady. It's not moving anywhere. Listen to how quiet it is as well. What I'll do is try and get a bit of footage today. Like I say, not going to go up too high, not going to use it too much because it's my first time out with it. Yeah, let's get some footage of this little thing. Oh wow, look at this thing. Absolutely incredible little drone. Look how steady it is. It is not moving anywhere at all, just absolutely staying put. Flick the throttle and it goes up, stays exactly where you lose the throttle as well. The same, bring it down and it'll literally just stay there. Wow, look at that. It's in cinema mode as well, so it is literally, when you move it, adjust round, it literally does go very, very slow. Let me try and do a bit of forward action for you. There we go. Boy drone. Literally stop, and it stops right in that GPS column. It is not moving anywhere. Look at that. That is, I'm so impressed already. Wow. We got a Huawei tablet as well. Doing all the, showing you all the live feed from it. So it's got 70% battery, 81% battery in the remote. The GPS is on point as well. Really, really impressed with this, guys. Let's get some footage on this drone, put it together with some cinematic music. Wow. Going, guys, a bit of I put it in sport mode because I just couldn't wait. This is sport mode. Really quick, guys. Sounds amazing. So nimble. That is incredible. It's on the dot, this drone is. Wow. I am so impressed with that already. Windy up there outside them trees as well, let me tell you. You can see it shaking around in the wind. Wow. Very, very impressed. The remote feels absolutely incredible as well. Nice and steady. So again, most drones have got this now, guys, and like I say, this Parrot Bebop is getting on a fair bit, to be honest now. But I've wanted one for a while. So literally, you literally press take off like that, and the thing literally takes off and literally just holds itself there. There ain't no rush with this drone. That's what I like about it. There's no rush at all. You just take off and then decide what you want to do. Whether you want to put it in sport mode, whether you want to put it in photography mode, and there's loads of other options I've still got to show you on this yet. But for now, like I say today, guys, I'm just going to have a little mess around, get used to it, have a little fly. Next thing I really want to do is try and take it, as you can see over there, through them trees, there's a pathway. I want to try and steadily take it through that pathway and see how it turns out. Let's do this. Right then guys, so there you have it. Literally just a short video of the Parrot Bebop 2. I am well impressed with this little drone, guys. Well impressed. Oh, what am I on battery wise? I've got 11%. Have a nice little play around with it on that 11% and pack it away and bring it home safe. Really enjoying it, guys. Anyway, if you like the video, please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo! Wow, that is absolutely impressive. That is amazing. Look at how still it is, it's just not moving. We finally got as well a low battery alert on the screen. So yeah, we'll just chill around here, close to home with it. Get a bottom shot on there as well. Wow, hear that?